Hello user, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the buffer string functions. So let's start. In earlier class we have learned the capacity function, length function, insert function and append function, where capacity ensure what is the capacity of the string buffer, length, how many characters are in our string, insert, if you want to insert a new particular string in already existing string buffer, so it will allow us to insert on that. Append, it will automatically append the new string after existing string. So now starts today functions. Here fifth function, setCharAt, index, position and character. So setCharAt is a function after string buffer dot setCharAt. 2, here is the index position m, and delete function is also mentioned from which particular index position to which index position we are going to delete the content from string, starting index position and end index position. SB delete 4,8. Here replace is also a string buffer functions which automatically replace the new string according to that particular index position set from starting 6 and end 10. Reverse, it will reverse the character or sequence of character in already existing string buffer. So let's start practically now. We have to click new folder and file, and now provide the my string 2. Select the location where you want to save it. And press finish. If I already have, so I will put here 3 and then finish. Now first of all comment StringBuffer Class methods part 3. So class name as a class my string 3, curly bracket open close. Here I can use public because my file name and class name is same. Now main section, your main method of the class. Now public static void main string argument. Yes, now within this particular main function we will put a string buffer object with some values. So here string buffer, here is SB equals to new string buffer. Inside that I will provide a text, for example she had a good book. Now I am going to use the that is setCharAt function. In this part I will, first part says that index position, suppose that in the place of 5 I will put R, and now I am going to print it, system dot out dot println. Here I will print SB. So I will show you first system dot out dot println within double quote before setCharAt function SB, and then simply I will copy the above string, and after setCharAt. So let's see, compile it. Process completed and executed. I am going to say run it. So you can see before setCharAt she had a good book, and now after the setCharAt she had, you can see here is R, because the index position A will be, I may say that time will be 5. So you can see that she had a SHE, that is 3, 4, that is space H5. Okay, and whatever came, it will automatically replace by R. So because I have replaced here R by R, now check with another one, that is 6th position with symbol hash. So now test it again, compile it, and then run it. Now you can see has, in the place of D, has been changed. That means in that position that character replaced by hash. So now we will talk about the next function, that is delete function. So I will make new particular StringBuffer class, that is StringBuffer SB equals to new StringBuffer. Inside this I will pass a message that says easily, I am not having a good time. Okay, and now after that full stop, now I'm going to change a particular content. Here is SB equals to delete. In this place I will replace from 4 to 8, and now I will print this particular string first, StringBuffer first, system.out.println here SB, and after that system.out.println SB. So now let's see, it is before delete function, and download will be after delete function. So here I'll put space, and now compile it, and now execute it. You can see the first, before the delete function I am not having a good time, and now you can see that after applying the delete function I am having a good time. So you can see the difference between there. So I will type here simple after. Now you will better understand. Compile it first and then run it. Now you can see in first, before delete the function, the message is StringBuffer is I am not having a good time. After delete function I am having a good time. So I have just identified the index position of that not word, and I have deleted in second function. And now the next, we are talking about the next function, that is replace. Okay, so we are also going to create a new StringBuffer object, SB equals to new buffer string, StringBuffer. In this I will put hello from Java, with exclamatory sign. Yes, now we are going to replace, that is SB replace in this part I will type simple 6 and 10 by letter 2. So let's see before the using the replace function what will be the output. So for that we have to just print it out, system.out.println. Under this I will type before replace function concatenation operator and then SB. So you can see I have just printed out the before the reverse function, I'm sorry, replace function. So now let's see what is the default output of that. So before replace function hello from Java, and now I will use the same content again. Here after replace function, after using replace function, so you can see I have just used the replace function. Then after that let's see what will happen. Compile it first and then run it. So now you can see that before the replace function the hello from Java, and now after the replacing function the hello to Java. So I have rated here I am to say replace from by 2. Did you got that? Now the last function of this particular string buffer, we will also again create the new string buffer object. Under this I will type hello Java, and now we will check what will the output by system.out.println before reverse function SB. Now compile it. So it will print only hello Java. Okay, now we are using the reverse function. So here SB dot reverse, and I will copy this upper line again, and here after reverse function. So now we have to check what will the output. Run it. Now you can see that before reverse function hello Java, and after reverse function just that is AVAJWOLLEH, that is just the reverse of sequence of character in string buffer. So that's of the day. Have a nice day.